If you want to take cold calls to the next level, one very powerful thing you can do is add storytelling. And that might sound intimidating, but in this video, I'm going to provide you with everything you need to know in order to become a great storyteller when you're making cold calls. First, let's get on the same page with what we're talking about here when we say storytelling. The stories we want to tell our prospects during cold calls are simply examples of other customers we've helped with our product or service. And the minimum approach here would be to have one or two examples that you use again and again, regardless of the type of prospect that you're talking to or trying to sell to. But the optimum way to do this would be to have different examples and have the example you share, the story you tell, to have that match up with the prospect you're communicating with. For example, if you're cold calling and trying to sell to restaurants, it would be optimum to share an example or story of another restaurant that you worked with and helped by providing them with your product or service. Or if you're cold calling into different departments and different levels and you end up talking to or trying to sell to CFOs, it would be great to have examples to share of other CFOs that you worked with and helped by providing your product or service. Adding stories and storytelling to your cold calling can be extremely powerful for three different reasons. First, we can replace the standard details about our product, what it does and its features, with going in a different direction of telling stories of how we've helped other customers. This small change can drastically decrease how much of a product pushing salesperson you look like, and that can help to decrease the prospect's guardedness, leading to less objections, rejection, and resistance. Another reason storytelling can be extremely powerful is that it can be difficult to squeeze in all of the details of the product or service you sell during a very short and quick cold call. And storytelling helps to solve this challenge because telling stories is a much more efficient way to explain what you sell and how it helps, and why it would be worth the prospect's time to talk more with you. And a third reason why adding storytelling to your cold calls can be extremely powerful is that it helps you to establish more credibility very quickly with the prospect. Because when you tell these stories, you are very quickly establishing a history or a record of delivering results to other businesses or customers. But one thing that can make it difficult to add storytelling to your cold calls is that you only have a few minutes to work with, so you need to be very concise with the story that you tell. And to help with that, we've created a template that you can fill in with the details specific to your product or service, and this template does a really good and efficient job at communicating the key details you want to share in a very short window of time. And this template filled in might sound something like this. We recently worked with Phones Plus, and they had a need to get more leads out of their website traffic. We helped to solve that by improving the layout and design of their website, and this helped them to increase their inbound leads by 40%, and ultimately that led to a 25% increase in top-line revenue. And there are two different moments during a cold call where you might want to incorporate storytelling. First, you could add storytelling at the very beginning of your cold call by using a customer example cold call opener. And to do this, we can use that same template we just went through. But if you're using this at the very beginning of a cold call, you probably want it to be a little tighter and a little shorter. So we can take that exact same template and trim it down a bit and turn it into a cold call opener by saying something like this. The reason for the call is that we recently worked with Phones Plus and helped them to increase the leads they were generating through their website by 40%. And ultimately that led to a 25% increase in top line revenue. But I don't know if we can help you in that same way or not. And that's why I was calling with just a quick question or two. By the way, that sentence there at the end is a sales takeaway, which is a really nice thing to do right after you share the story of how you help. It creates a nice push-pull effect and helps to disarm the prospect and create more curiosity. And after the sales takeaway, you could transition to asking a few pain or current state questions. And another place where you could insert storytelling is at the end of the cold call as part of your close attempt. For example, let's say you ask a few of your pain and current state questions and find a reason to talk more. You could then transition to closing by saying something like, well, based on what you've shared right there, it might make sense to talk more because we recently worked with Phones Plus. And they were similar to you in that they had room for improvement in converting website traffic into leads. And we helped to solve that challenge by redesigning their website. These changes helped them to increase their inbound leads by 40%, which ultimately led to a 25% total increase in top line revenue. And so what you're doing with that story there right at the end of the cold call is that you are explaining the product or service you have to offer in a more interesting way to build interest, establish credibility, and right after that, you go for the close by saying something like, but I've called you out of the blue and I'm not sure if this is the best time to talk about this. Are you available for a call maybe next Tuesday or Thursday morning where we can talk about this in a little more detail and I can share some other examples with you of how we've helped businesses to improve their revenue generated through their website? You could also use storytelling when you're leaving a voicemail message, and you could also use storytelling in your email messages. And maybe you can see here the pattern with once we create that template, we can use that again and again at different times when we're communicating with prospects. This template is actually what we refer to as a customer example building block. And this is just one of many different building blocks that we recommend you create. And once you have these, you can mix and match these building blocks to create a variety of different sales scripts, objection responses, email messages, voicemail messages, and more. And if you want to create these building blocks for your product or service, we actually have a step-by-step sales message brainstorming process that you can go through to create the optimum things to say and ask for your product or service. And if you're looking at this and thinking, well, I don't know if I can go through that, or I don't have the time or energy to go through that process, we actually have an AI tool that will create all of this for you in a matter of seconds. In Sales Scripter, our software aligns with this step-by-step process, and we've integrated with ChatGPT so that all you have to do is put in the product or service you sell and the target audience you are communicating with, and the software in a matter of seconds will use ChatGPT to do all of the sales copywriting for your product or service, and this will create the features for what you sell, the differentiation, the benefits, pain points, pain questions, current state questions. All of these sets of bullet points are your building blocks. And then the software mixes and matches those building blocks to create a whole library of sales scripts, email messages, voicemail messages, objection responses, and more. So hopefully there's a tip or two in there that will give you some new ideas for how to improve your sales efforts. If you have questions or want more information, the best place to go is salescripter.com. Thanks for being here. Hope this was helpful, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.